In the next few minutes, I'll show you how you can manage your insertion orders all the way from creation to invoicing within NetSuite. We have an example insertion order here for a media agency, and you can see here that we're advertising with a cosmetic, and we've got a couple of line items here. We've got our expandable B&B for our expandable ads, as well as an agency markup. So you can see here our quantity or budget in terms of the cost per click is 20,000 insertions. We've got a specific rate, which calculates an amount. And then we've got a flight start date over here, as well as a flight end date as well. So you can manage all of these ancillary items for an insertion order directly within NetSuite itself. So the next part of the insertion order process would be to record the number of impressions. And we have the ability within the insertion order itself to fulfill and actually record that amount. And within the fulfillment transaction, I can go ahead and flag this, and I can put a complete insertion impression amount rather, or I could go ahead and do a specific quantity over here. And let's just say it's a partial. The campaign is yet to finish, but we are going to bill our client and record these actuals here. So we'll go ahead and save that. Now back on the insertion order, you can see our quantity or budget was 20,000. We've actually delivered 15,000, which we just created through the fulfillment, and the status has changed from pending billing to partially received, meaning that we've still got those 5,000 additional impressions that we can leverage here. I'm now looking at my accounting dashboard. So I've logged in as an accounting user, and using my reminders, these are my actionable items that I need to execute on. You can see I've actually got 3 insertion orders I need to bill. So I can go ahead and click on that. And you can see here, these are the 3 insertion orders that I need to bill. I can flag each of these individually, mark all, and have a batch invoice process. Alternatively, I could go ahead and just drill down into and create an invoice one by one. We'll go ahead and batch this and hit submit. Now back on my insertion order, you'll notice that we've got the original 20,000, 15,000 have been delivered, and 15,000 actually been invoiced. And under my related records, I can drill down into the invoice. And here's the invoice that includes not only the impressions of 15,000 that have been delivered, but also our 15% agency fee as well.